Hey guys, this is Miss Campos. This is your weekly recap. This is a video where I show you what your assignments and what you have to submit every week, every day this week for math. Este video enseña todas las tareas y actividades que tienes que entregar para matemáticas esta semana, de abril 27 al 1 de mayo. First, we always start with your weekly introduction. Siempre empezamos con la introducción semanal. Here, I tell you what we're going to be talking about this week. This week, it's all about volume. We talked about perimeter and area last week. This week, we bring in volume. Then, I give you the assignments you need to submit this week. This week, you need to submit something every day in math. Monday, you're going to take a perimeter area volume quiz. Tuesday, you have a discussion. Wednesday, you have another quiz. Thursday, you have 3 additive practice problems. And then Friday, you have a test. Esta semana vamos a estar hablando de volumen y aquí es donde les tengo yo qué tienes que entregar cada día. Okay, so siempre arriba en inglés, abajo en español. Then when you go to modules, the first thing for Monday, I have a video that I made where I explain perimeter, area, and volume. Please watch the video. Aquí vas a ver un video en el que yo hablo de perímetro, área y volumen. Here is just a little poster to remind you how to find length, how to find width, how to find height. Este es un cartel que nomás te enseña cómo encontrar lo largo, lo ancho y lo alto de una figura. Then you have a quiz. That's all you have to do for Monday. Your quiz, you don't have to submit anything. You just hit take quiz. You have 6 questions. Remember, you select the correct answer. You can work out these answers on a piece of paper. Remember, if you don't like your grade, you can take this quiz as many times as you want. At the end, you hit submit quiz. Son 6 preguntas. Puedes enseñar tu trabajo en una hoja de papel y puedes tomar este examen cuantas veces quieras si no te gustó tu grado inicial. And eso es todo para lunes. Next, we go to Tuesday. Tuesday, you're going to do your Education Galaxy lesson. You click here and it tells you what number to do, the 5.9. I think it is. Vas a ir a Education Galaxy y vas a hacer la actividad. En Education Galaxy, si haces clic, aquí es donde tienes el número, es 5.6 B. Then, after you do your Education Galaxy, you have a discussion today. El martes vas a tener un discurso. So I gave you an example of perimeter, an example of area, an example of volume. Perimeter, the fence around your yard. Carpet inside your bedroom is the area, and the water inside a swimming pool is volume. You are going to come up with your own 3 examples, one for perimeter, one for area, one for volume. And try not to copy what somebody else has said. You hit reply, and you're just going to give me your examples, your 3 examples. Este es un discurso. Les di un ejemplo de perímetro, área y volumen. Tú me vas a dar un ejemplo de perímetro, área y volumen. Tu propio ejemplo. No uses el mío. And that's all you're doing Tuesday. Wednesday, you're going to watch the Brain Pop video for volume. Then here is just another little poster that kind of shows you what volume is. And then you're going to take a little quiz. This quiz is 7 points. And I'm sorry, this one's actually not a quiz. This is a page out of your book. You're going to do 1 through 7, and I want you to skip 4. You do not have to do 4. So, vas a ver el video de Brain Pop. Hay un cartel donde hay información sobre volumen y luego vas a hacer esta hoja de tu libro. Aquí, nomás tienes que hacer 1 al 7, no tienes que hacer el número 4. La hoja está en inglés arriba, en español abajo, y como la entregas, vas a ver este botón acá arriba que dice Submit Assignment. You click Submit Assignment, and then here is where you enter your answers. 1, 2, 3, and so on. Okay, aquí es como entregas tu trabajo. Aquí es donde vas a poner las respuestas, and you hit Submit Assignment when you're done. That is Wednesday. Now for Thursday. Ahora el jueves. So Thursday, you're going to be able to play a game. So you just go to that link. You just practice however many times you want. You play a volume game. Then there's this YouTube volume song. It's really good on finding irregular volume of irregular shapes. And then here's a video that's going to teach you how to find volume of irregular shapes using the additive strategy and then you're going to turn in your practice. You only have 3 questions. So here are the 3 questions. You need to find the volume of this shape, and that shape. Okay, so the way you do this, it's actually a quiz. You click Take Quiz, and you're going to tell me, what is the volume of shape number 1? This is 1. What is the volume of shape number 2? Shape number 3. You just put the number. Then you click Submit Quiz. Remember, you can take this quiz as many times. Vas a poder jugar un juego de volumen en este día, jueves, y luego también va a haber un video de una canción y te va a enseñar cómo encontrar el volumen de figuras irregulares. Después vas a tener que encontrar el volumen de estas 3 figuras. Y la manera como pones la respuesta, nomás pones el número, lo que tú pienses, y vas a hacer clic aquí donde dice Submit Quiz. And that is all for Thursday. Now Friday. On Friday, the only thing is a test. El viernes vas a tener tu examen sobre volumen. You click Take Quiz. It's 10 questions. And the way you do this is the same. You always, on some of them, I gave you multiple choice. On some of them, you're just going to have to type in your answer. Es un examen. En algunos puse todas las respuestas y en otras nomás vas a tener que tú escribir la respuesta. You always hit next. Hay 10 preguntas. Cuando termines con las 10, pones Submit Quiz y terminaste matemáticas esta semana. So after that, you hit Submit and you are done with math this week.